Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can take scrolling screenshot on Windows using Google Chrome. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first of all, I'm going to go to my Google Chrome. And for example, I'm going to take scrolling screenshot of this web page. If we want to do that, we can right click on the web page, and then we're going to select the inspect. Okay, and here you can choose this icon, the toggle device toolbar. Tap on this icon, and then you can click on this little arrow. Just tap on that, and there will be some options for you, and you can click on capture full size screenshot. Since we want to take scrolling screenshot, you can click on it, and then the screenshot will be downloaded, and I'm going to check it on my File Explorer. Okay, and this is the scrolling screenshot we have just taken. Oops. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to take scrolling screenshot on Windows using Google Chrome. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.